Hello guys, so in my previous tutorial I taught how to make a cargo pocket, a new method of making a cargo pocket. However, I didn't explain how I came about the pattern I used in making it, and the comment section was wild. Everybody was coming for my neck like, how did you come up with this pattern? At least show us how you made the pattern. That is the reason why I'm making this video, to explain to you how I got this pattern, how I drafted this pattern. Alright, so the good thing about it is that you can draft it and keep it, and so that you can recreate it over and over again. Alright, so let's get into it. I want to explain to you how I got it. So the first thing I did was I drew a straight line like this. The size of the pocket is 5.5 by 6 inches. The width is 5.5 and the height is 6 inches. As you can see here, you see the width is 5.5. So I just go ahead and draw my box, which is the size, exact size of the pocket. So if you want your pocket to be bigger, this is the point where you make it bigger. If you want it to be 10 by 10, this is where you make it 10 by 10. Okay, you can see 5.5. So I'll go ahead and make put 1 inch at the top like this, and I'll extend my line 1 inch at the top. I'll put 2 inch, 1 inch each at each side. There's 2 inches on each side like this. Extend it, extend your lines. So at the top I'm going to add 1 inch, sorry, half inch on both sides of the 1 inch that's at the top, as you can see me do. So I'll just draw a line. The middle one, I'm not going to make it to reach the end, but the last ones I'll make it to reach the end like this. The middle one will stop somewhere before it gets to the end, but the last ones will get to the end. Then at the bottom I'm going to add 2 inches, that's 1 inch each. You understand? So the same thing, the line at the bottom, it will reach the end, but the line at the middle will not reach the end. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this line, that this is a right angle triangle. It's created a right angle triangle. I'm going to use it to get this point. You can see it. So I'll just create this point to meet the line, and then I'll just use that same line to make sure it meets this other line here, and this is it. You can just pause this part, rewind and watch over and over again so that you understand what I just did. Okay, you can see it. So you do the same thing here. Whatever I do to the right hand side, you do the same thing to the left hand side. This is it. So you just extend this line to meet your middle line of the bottom. Extend the line, then you use that same line just draw it like this to get to the end. So this is the difficult part. If you can get it up to this point, that's also the next thing you're going to do, is just to put on half inch on every side, the left, the right and the bottom, apart from the top. See it, the left, the right, the bottom, apart from the top. You just add half inch on all sides like this. So that's it. Then on this part I just cut off these sharp edges like this and like this. So that's basically it. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and cut it, and that will be all. So this is how to get this pattern. So the good thing is you can use I'm using a gum stitch to do this because I didn't have a cardboard paper at when I was doing this. So you can just use your cardboard paper to make this pattern so that you can use it over and over again. You understand? So remember, this is 5.5. The width is 5.5 and the height is 6 inches. Like I said, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. This is the part you are going to touch, but every other side, the 1 inches, the half inches, you are going to leave it the way it is. If you need it to be bigger, is that middle part that you are going to alter. Do you understand? So basically, this is how to make this pattern. I try to make this video as short as possible. Okay, all right, so this is it. This is how you sew it. I'm going to leave the link to the first video in the description so that you can go and watch in case you've not watched it. Thank you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please just hit the subscribe button right below this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. So this is how you are going to sew this part. You sew it like this, you sew it like this, and then you go up like that. That is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I believe you subscribed. If not, if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. You are the real MVPs. Have a great day.